Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Sanchez. I'm here just to go ahead and talk about some stocks today. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the automotive industry and just go ahead and dive into charts and take a look at how some of these automakers are performing as of late. So right now, what we have is Ford on my chart, and at this very point in time, a single stock of Ford costs $8.71. Now, what I want to tell you guys is that number, the 871, that changes all the time. That changes with time. So that's the way that we make money, is by that value changing. We either short it or we can buy it. Now, in this case, I just want to go ahead and take a look in a general case of what's going on. Okay, so if I go ahead and zoom out, it's gonna be pretty clear to see that Ford isn't doing too good. Like each one of these candlesticks, so this, like these things right here, this is a candlestick. This is a symbol. Okay, for me, that's how I teach it. It's just a symbol. Okay, and all symbols have a representation. So what does this symbol represent? Well, it represents a buying and selling for a single day of activity. So people are buying and shorting the stock value, okay? And that's what each one of these candlesticks is telling us. They're telling us what was bought and what was sold and at what price. And so as I zoom out, these candlestick charts are telling me that stock value. Like, for example, if I'm to go ahead and check out, if I'm going to go ahead and check out historical price data, we can see that, like, for example, up here in January 2018, stock was 1337, and now obviously it's way down to 871. So it's been falling. It's been falling. But let's take a look at a few other ones. Let me see, how long has it been falling, because maybe it's time for it to go back up. You never know. So our very first series of lower highs of substantial amount was 2014. Let's see what date that was. So I am a 100% cell phone trader. I get all of my information from my cell phone. I train myself that way purposely. July 2014. So July 2014 price for a single stock of Ford was at 1779. That's what we just learned, okay? Now, all the way back down here. So if I want to chart a little bit, I'm not going to go too deep in it. I'm not going to go too deep in it at all. But I do just want to show a couple things. We can see here that this was a very significant level. Okay. And what I'm doing is I'm just copying what I see on the chart. Okay, that's what I'm doing. So I see that this is a key level. What is a key level? It just means price likes that point. Okay, and the price, when I say price, I mean the candlesticks, which is the evidence. So the evidence is telling me that it respects this particular level. Level being price, so 1050 in this case. So price really respected this, and seeing those two gaps there, and we're now underneath that, that's not a good sign for Ford at all. That's actually a continuation pattern. So this is telling me that Ford can continue going down. Now, how down can it go? Well, I can change to a weekly chart and see if there's any information on lower. There we go. Okay, cool. Wow. So if Ford drops here at 871, it could really be in some trouble. I mean, we're talking lots of money on the table right now. We're talking lots of money. But it's been chugging down though, so that's interesting to see. It hasn't been dropping like that, like hotcakes, but it has been crawling down. There is a big urge of buying down here. So let me just go ahead and briefly mark some levels that our profit area could take. So right here is a really good one. Right here, I like this level. So this is telling me that price can go down to 643. Now, when will it reach 643? I'm not sure, but there's definitely a high probable chance that it's going to go down to that level. I can go even a little above and beyond if I break out some tools. I know I said I didn't want to go too in depth, but it's me, man. I'm sorry, guys. I just want to take a quick look at where we're at. Where is, I'm looking for a tool called the Fibonacci retracement tool. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure this high. Uh-oh. Whoa. Phone freaking out. I'm not sure why I just did that. Whoa. It doesn't like that, does it? Huh. That's interesting. Can I even move it? Okay. So that line is perfectly at the Fibonacci 50% level. Let me just... Can I please grab you without you? Oh, that's why. That's why. Yeah, it's not letting me do it. I'm gonna have to delete it. So yeah, right. Let me try one more time. It looks like my phone freaked out right there. Let me just measure this high to this low. There we go. Thank you. All right. Now what level? That's right now we're at the 61.8. That's why we found resist support because the golden number ratio. That's what I'm looking at, 61.8%. At some technical analysis, but yeah. So that's why we found support where price is at right now. That $8 is a Fibonacci number. So yeah, that's where Ford is standing at. Pretty bad. I'm not sure if there's, let's see if we can zoom in to try to see if there's any signs of recovery. Kind of, not really. Yeah. Yep. It's going down to that 661 level. So just watch it. Next, my screen is going to flip because I want to change it. I want to go to, yeah, see, it just flipped. Let me just put in General Motors. Let's see what pops up. General Electric? Nope. Motors. There we go. General Motors Company, New York stock. All right. So right now we're at 34.98 for General Motors. And it's been a little ranging, that's for sure. Let's see what's going on here. We had a nice gap up right there. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. You know, I'm not gonna get into that. So there's a reason why price stopped there. It's falling pretty hard, but there's a reason why it stopped there. It's actually creating a lower low. So, and what I mean by lower low is that price could go ahead and continue going down. Let's show you guys that really fast. If I can find it. I'm a MetaTrader 4 guy, not a TradingView guy. There we go. Okay. So this is okay, so like let me show you guys. This is a high. Uh-oh. Yeah, my phone is tripping. This is a high. Oh, what am I doing? It's not high. Go back. Go back. Stop. Back. Okay. Okay. So do. All right. So that's what we have going on right now. We have a high, we have a low, and then we have a higher, then we have a lower high. That's what that is. A lower high, then we have a lower low. So right now, what I'm expecting, what you can see here on my screen, this is price over here. So dun. That's what I'm expecting, and I'm expecting a continuation of that movement. Let's see how much, I'm going to show you some neat secrets, but let's see how long this lasts. Can I? Trend line? Okay, let me just go ahead and do something really quick. Boom. Let me just grab that. Put it right there. Oh, it's already met that. Okay, huh. So yeah, we're at a support level. So it's range bound right now. can go ahead and delete all that off the screen.